You know, I think the favorite cases are always the cases you win. How can that not be? Those are your favorites. But cases are like children. You love them for different reasons. I think for me, some of the cases that brought my earliest successes were the ones that convinced me that I was going the right way. And I was very fortunate when I first started practicing here is that we did not have an appellate section. I kind of created the appellate law section of this firm. And so I got the cast-offs in a way that nobody else wanted, and they were just the most fascinating cases. The first case I ever argued in the 11th Circuit, which is our federal court of appeals, was a search and seizure issue. And you don't often win those, and I won it. And then a series of civil rights cases. One involved a school teacher who was fired for living with her boyfriend, believe it or not, back in the day. And we litigated that all through state court and then to our first district court of appeals. I also have always loved the cases that present a new issue, that somehow the law is not decided yet, and so you get to have your input. And I think the thing that's wonderful about criminal law is that it's always changing. So what would be an issue that 5 years ago no one would think it was an issue, 5 years later it's on the forefront. And it's that creative process of being able to try to predict what issues are going to become important.